Sorry for the technical difficulties, but Sidney Crosby, MVP signed.
Real MVP.
Dan Cleary, giveaway probably.
Oh my god.
Matt Cullen. You have to see well, Matt. Oh, Lord, because I need to see too. Patrick Elias. Braden Ching, 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 ching. Okay, shut up. You're just weird. We got Cher on the back. Jerome McGinley. Nikita Nikitin. Jose Theodore. Theodore. Patrick Hornquist. Young Guns of Jordan Nolan, the Chinese motherfucker. Martin Havlat. Ryan Kessler in the giveaway, I have him already. And Sedano Cher in the giveaway, I have him already. So you guys will be lucky with the giveaways. I just want a jersey card, Jesus. I've never missed a jersey card yet. I got the jersey card in like, at the end, like this.
Ow.
Antoine Vermette. Oh, Miguel. Alex Pietrangelo, whatever. Stop! I'll fuck you up with a fucking crayon. John Carlson. Silver skates of Thomas Vanek.
Garbage.
Stupid motherfucker. A Series 1 checklist of Jonathan Quick, Isaac Opter, Andrew Dowdy in the giveaway because I won already. Holy crap, that was fast. Sean Thornton. Dave Boland. Arrête! Arrête, ching ching, wait. We're speaking Chinese. So. Michael Ryder. 3 packs to go, my god. We need a freaking game used jersey. We got Eric Cross on the back. Christian Erhoff. Patrick Sharp. Henrik Zetterberg out of football field, whatever. That was weird, kind of weird with the helmet in his arms. Miko Koivu. Young Guns of Chris Kreider. Dwight King in the giveaway. I have him already. Adam Larson. Everyone that I have already, I'm going to put them in the giveaway probably. Eric Carlson. Stop, okay? Matt Molson. Maxim Talbot. Joe Pavelski. Corey Schneider. Game used jersey of Jerome McGinley. Jokes. MVP signed. Ryan Clough, Jake Gardner, and Cam Fowler. Last pack of the day.
Game jersey in there.
Nope, I can just feel it. So, fuck this box. Fucking bullshit, motherfucking ass. Fuck you. This is a freaking base pack. Base. It's beautiful. Okay.
Fresh hair.
Juice Stafford. Ryan O'Reilly go on. Ian White. I hate the white people. Danny Heatley. Yeah, we're gonna go in the water with him, so put him in there.
Yes.
Eric Stahl. Ryan Hansen. You might do the honors. You guys can show these cards, and I'll hold the camera. And say them. Alright. Okay, go. Miguel, start.
Brian Campbell.
Gabriel. You put him on freaking hamster.
Gabriel Book.
Gabriel. So yeah, let's do that from now on. The last 2 cards for you guys. And now we're gonna put this guy in the water, and we're gonna be doing a video with that with a GoPro.
Yep.
And now
Matt Cook.
Yeah, and Matt Cook. So no, and Milan Lucic. So I'll do Danny Heatley. You
And
do
Sergei
Lucic. Gonchar. No, he's fine. He's fine. I'll put him in the giveaway. So I'll do Danny Heatley. You'll do Milan Lucic, and you do Matt Cook.
I hate Matt Cook so much.
Go in the background. All right, ready? See you then. Well, that's another video. So if you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this.